Welcome to our weekly podcast episode on reading strategies, how to make a summary. Today, we'll be discussing the steps on how to paraphrase properly, how to identify context cues, what's a definition, and how we can identify them in an academic text. When creating a summary, it's essential to follow the steps in the process. First, you should read the text carefully and take notes of essential points and facts. Afterwards, examine what you have gathered and decide on a main point or thesis statement for your summary. Finally, write your summary in your own words, ensuring you don't copy any phrases directly from the original. Paraphrasing is the act of restating someone's written or spoken words while still maintaining the same meaning. An effective paraphrase should include all the essential information while using different words, structure, and tone. This skill is useful in creating summaries and avoiding plagiarism. Context cues are the words or phrases in a text that provide meaning or additional information about a specific topic. Identifying them can be valuable in creating a summary as they can help to understand the writer's intention and purpose. In academic text, a definition is an explanation of the meaning of a term or a concept. Definitions can be found in various forms, such as examples, synonyms, or explanations. It's important to identify definitions in academic texts since they can help clarify concepts and topics. In conclusion, creating a summary requires careful reading, effective paraphrasing, identifying context cues, and recognizing definitions in academic text. Developing these skills can be useful in understanding complex texts and conveying them to others. Thanks for listening. Ciao!